How to fix and solve the GCash app transaction failed. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles with the GCash app transaction, here is how you can fix it. First and foremost, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching it between the Wi Fi and mobile data to determine the best network. You can also try to restart your router or reconnect to the network if needed. Next thing, you have to verify your GCash balance. So for this, just launch the GCash wallet balance and ensure you have sufficient funds for the transaction. Look for the balance displayed on the home screen of your GCash app and you should be good to go. After that, you'll have to double check the recipient's details. This includes the mobile number, account information, and all of such information before retrying the transaction. Any errors in the details could lead to a failed transaction. Once this is done, you should also make sure to clear the app cache. For this, long press the GCache application and then go to App Info. After that, tap on Storage and Cache and then on Clear Cache. Then after, head over to the Play Store or App Store. This is because outdated app versions can cause transaction issues. So search for GCache and install any available update. After that is done, restart your phone, which can resolve the temporary glitches, and you should be good to go. However, if the issue is due to the scheduled maintenance from the GCash app side, in that case, you might have to wait until it is fixed. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.